Hey y'all, Coach Cousins again, and I'm here with Cal Fresh Healthy Living Program. Today, we're in this wonderful kitchen here, and we are going to prepare some strawberry yogurt pops. You heard it, strawberry yogurt pops. Not your traditional ice cream, but something healthy for the family. We're going to need a few ingredients today, very simple. You're going to need a knife, whether it's a butter knife or a sharp knife, some strawberries, and some low-fat strawberry yogurt. You're gonna also need some trays. You got the fancy stuff here, but if you've got the traditional ice trays, that'll work. If you don't, this works just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these berries off. Allow me to take a few strawberries, nice and pretty ones here. I'm gonna start off with about 6 strawberries. It all depends on your ice trays. Mine just has 6 holders, yours may have more. I'm gonna slice the head of them off. All right, now we're gonna slice them down. You can choose to go horizontal, vertical. Nonetheless, keep the same patterns for the entire berry. All right, let's get this stuff where it needs to be. That's just a little trick I picked up from Grandma. We're gonna move on to our lovely yogurt here. I'm gonna grab a spoon and I'm gonna begin to pour in our yogurt into our nice ice trays. All right, be careful. This can make a mess, folks. You don't have to fill them all the way up, understanding that the depth of my trays is at least 1.5 inches. Almost there, almost there. That should do it. Allow me to evenly distribute the yogurt so that they're all about the same size. Next step, we're gonna take our strawberries and we're going to distribute them evenly throughout our ice tray. Just go ahead and drop them in because we're gonna come back and stir them up. Drop those strawberries evenly within the trays. I love strawberries, so I'm more than likely gonna use all of them. Understanding that the strawberries are gonna give us that natural, sweet flavor. Now here we go, we're stirring them up. But the bottom line is making sure that we evenly distribute the strawberries within the yogurt. The next step, all right, we're gonna take the foil, cover our yogurt pops. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it's wrapped properly. So technically, I tuck it underneath. That's just me, right? Everybody's got a different way, all right? So now that the foil is secure, anticipate where the holes are, and here we go. Oh yeah, that's the way to go. Voila, we're ready to freeze for 4 hours, okay? Nothing less, 4 hours, okay? All righty, let's go. Surprise. Boy, I can't wait to open these up. Are you ready to take a look at our strawberry yogurt pops? It's coming off. Oh yeah, it actually turned out fantastic. Let's go ahead and pop these things out. Oh, there it is. Easy peasy. Will you look at that? Tell me this does not look great. Amazing. Texture, appearance, and we're gonna find out about taste.